Hello everyone, welcome back to How to Daily. If you have decided to quit Mobile Legends for good and want to delete your account data permanently, I have got you covered. So let's go through the steps. First, you will need to unlink your Mobile Legends account from any third-party services like Facebook, Google Play, or Game Center. Head to the account settings in the game, tap on Account Center, and select Unlink Account for each platform. Next, go to your phone settings, find Mobile Legends in your list of apps, and clear both the cache and data. This will remove the game's files from your phone, but it is not enough to delete your account permanently. So to fully delete your account, you will need to contact Mobile Legends support, go to the help section in the game settings, and submit a ticket requesting the permanent deletion of your account data. Include your account details for faster processing. And that is how you permanently delete your Mobile Legends account data. Now if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe.